Good morning, children. We have done Prithviraj Chauhan part 1. In part 1, we have seen that Muhammad Ghori had attacked Delhi and he was defeated. And then Prithviraj Chauhan warned him that not to even think of attacking Delhi again. And so he went back to Ghor, but he did not stop thinking of attacking Delhi again and again. So he was planning when to attack. Now we will start with part 2. Soon the heroic tales of Prithviraj's valor reached Sanyogita, daughter of Jaichand, the king of Kannauj. Without seeing him in person, she decided that she will marry him and no one else. Relations between Jaichand and Prithviraj are strained. Jaichand had decided to perform the Rajasuya Yajna to assert his superiority over the Rajput kings. Prithviraj, however, refused to accept Jaichand's supremacy, and this marked the beginning of their enmity. Soon the heroic tales of Prithviraj's valor, means Prithviraj power reached Sanyogita, who was the daughter of Jaichand, the king of Kannauj. And without seeing Prithviraj, Sanyogita decided that she will marry Prithviraj and no one else. But the relation between Prithviraj and Jaichand were tensed. Why that? Because Jaichand had performed Rajasuya Yajna. Children, you must be knowing what is Rajasuya Yajna. Rajasuya Yajna is that they send their horse, in all the different countries or states, and from wherever the horse is passing, that state will come under that king who is performing Rajasuya Yajna. So this, when Jaichand had performed, Prithviraj, however, refused to accept Jaichand's supremacy. So Prithviraj was himself so much powerful. So why will he accept Jaichand's supremacy? And so he declined. And that was the beginning of their enmity. So that was the beginning of the tension between Jaichand and Prithviraj. Seen in Jaichand's court in Kannauj. He is seated in his throne. Jaichand, we wish to hold the Swayamvar ceremony of our daughter, Sanyogita, to which all the king will be invited with the sole exception of Prithviraj Chauhan. Now what is Jaichand telling? Jaichand is telling that the Swayamvar of Sanyogita is to be arranged and we will invite all the king except Prithviraj Chauhan. As soon as Sanyogita hears this, she seeks an audience with her father. So as soon as Sanyogita hears this, she tries to talk with her father. Sanyogita, Father, Prithviraj Chauhan has made a place for himself in my heart, and I have decided to marry no one else but him. You have to invite him to the Swayamvar. Jaichand, enraged, that is impossible. It cannot happen. My enemy cannot be your betrothed. Upon seeing her father's attitude, Sanyogita leaves the court and retreats to her room, where she contemplates her course of action. So when Sanyogita heard that her father is not calling Prithviraj Chauhan in the Swayamvar, she told that you have to invite him because I have decided to marry no one else but him. But Jaichand is getting angry and telling that is impossible. It cannot happen. My enemy cannot be your partner. That is what Jaichand is telling. Now upon seeing her father's attitude, Sanyogita leaves the court and goes to her room, and she is now planning that what action she will take. Finally, she summons an attendant in secret and hands him a letter to be delivered to Prithviraj Chauhan, in which she declares her love for him and invites him to her Swayamvar ceremony. Okay, so what is happening, children? She went home, she went to her room, and then finally she calls an attendant, okay, and secretly she sends a letter to Prithviraj. In the letter, she declares that she loves him and she has decided that she will marry no one else but him. Okay, and then she invites him to her Swayamvar ceremony. Attendant, handing over the message. My salutation to you, O King. The Princess of Kanauj, Sanyogita, has sent you this message. Prithviraj Chauhan reads the letter and is happy with its content. Return to Kanauj and tell your princess that I accept her proposal. Okay, so attendant is handing over the letter to Prithviraj, and after reading, Prithviraj was very happy with whatever is written inside it, and then telling to the attendant that you return to the Kanauj and tell your princess that I accept her proposal. That means I will come in the Swayamvar. In the meanwhile, Jaichand is busy making preparations for the Swayamvar and also thinking of the ways and means to humiliate Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, so in the meantime, Jaichand forgot about her daughter, that she wants to marry Prithviraj, and she was busy in making the preparations and always planning and thinking in the way that how he can humiliate, means insult Prithviraj Chauhan. Jaichand, minister, get a statue of Prithviraj made and place it at the entrance of my palace, so that all who participate in the Swayamvar may see that I have made him my gatekeeper. So what is Jaichand telling? Jaichand is telling to the minister to get a statue of Prithviraj. Okay, means to make a statue of Prithviraj and keep it at the entrance of my place, means like a gatekeeper, like a guard, so that whoever comes in the Swayamvar may see that I have made him my guard. Soon this news reaches Prithviraj Chauhan. Messenger, O king, we have received information that the Jaichand has installed your statue at the gate of his palace. He has reduced your status to a mere guard. So, all these messages, children at that time reach to the people through the messengers. Okay, so the messenger is coming and telling to Prithviraj that Jaichand have done this, that he has made a statue of you and have kept it at the gate of his palace. And he has reduced your status to a mere guard, means he has made you a gatekeeper or a guard. Prithviraj Chauhan, enraged, the impudence of the man, I shall teach Jaichand a lesson. So what is Prithviraj telling? He is very much angry and he is telling that this is what that man have done and I shall surely teach Jaichand a lesson. So what is Prithviraj telling? That he will teach him the lesson and he will take the revenge. Okay, because he was children, obviously he was going to the ceremony because Sanyogita have already invited him. So we will see in the next chapter that how he is taking the revenge.